The Museum of Portable Sound is a mobile phone, this phone, and only this phone. The sounds that you listen to in the Museum of Portable Sound can only be accessed at this phone. So the permanent collection is drawn from my own field recording practice, which has been going on since 1999. I show up and I give them the phone and I give them a map. Then I also give them this gallery guide. It's filled with all of the didactic texts and images and object labels that you would normally see on the walls inside a traditional museum. Usually I sit there with them for as long as they want.
But we haven't done
Object 2.
If they have any spare time, we then have a fairly lengthy conversation at the end about museums and sound and listening.